It's a certified 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.